Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. I'm just coming in with a message today about the free Cricut Card Summit. It starts tomorrow in America. It's May the 16th to the 18th. It's an online summit. If you are interested in learning about a Cricut machine, you may not have a Cricut machine, but you might just be interested in just learning a little bit about it, you should sign up for this free summit. If you've got a Cricut machine at home and you don't use it very often, you should definitely sign up for the summit. If you've got a Cricut machine and you are using it a lot, still sign up because there are lots and lots of ideas and presentations and classes included in the summit that will inspire you to use your Cricut machine. We all know that our Cricut machines can give us a little bit of trouble from time to time. Sometimes they're just not cutting correctly. Sometimes we can't figure out something in Cricut Design Space. Whatever the reason is, maybe you just want to learn a little bit about the machines, learn about what they can do, learn about what they can cut out for you, learn about what you can create. You should definitely sign up for the free summit. I am doing a class and I am making pretty Cricut peony cards, my favorite flower. I'm going to show you how to create these cards. It's easy, it's fun. I'm giving you the free background paper to go with the cards, and I'll show you how to create them in Design Space. If you want to purchase the VIP All Access Pass, I am including a digital printable bundle. You will receive for free my brand new shabby chic printable. It can create beautiful shabby chic cards like these cards from the design team, the Papercraft Secrets design team. It can create beautiful layouts. You will get this printable for free when you sign up for the VIP Access Pass. The VIP Access Pass gives you all sorts of free things. It also gives you unlimited access to the classes, so you don't have to rush your way through the classes. So this is still the shabby chic printable, and then you will also receive the free gratitude journal printable. This is a class. It has 3 video tutorials that go with the gratitude journal. You get all this for free. You can sit down and make your own gratitude journal. You are also getting the DIY fall banner printable, so you can make it for Thanksgiving or for fall. Beautiful banner printable there that will be yours for free. And you are also getting the Christmas gift tags printable, so you can get organized for Christmas. You do not have to purchase the VIP All Access Pass, but if you do, you get lots of free things, including 20% off my card making kits and printables. Go to the bottom of this video, click on the link and register for the Cricut Card Summit. I look forward to seeing you in the summit.